Hello everyone, my name is DJ and I'm back with one more tutorial from this playlist where we convert codes from shader toy to SparkSL, and today I'm going to show you how we can convert this shader here to sparkar, okay? So let's get started. As always, I'm gonna check here how the UVs looks like. And as always as well, you can see that the y coordinates are inverted and that the coordinate 0, 0 is here in the middle of the screen. So it was shifted from here to from this point to the center of the screen. Okay, I'm gonna comment this last line that I added here. And let's copy, Ctrl C. Let's go to sparkar. I already create the rectangle where we're gonna test our shader. And let's create the shader code assets. Double click. Let's delete everything. Let's paste the code from shader toy. Let's add the namespace, right? Using namespace std. Let's go to the main function. Let's create the eye resolution variable here. Back to eye resolution. It's gonna be equals get render target size. Let's check if eye resolution is being used in another place. No, it's only being used here inside the main function. So we are fine. Let's search for the eye time function. It's being used only 2 times here. And let's replace them by the get time function. Like this. And in this code, they call the UV SP. So I'm gonna comment this line. Let's create our UVs here. I'm gonna name it P as well, so you don't need to change anything in the code. So P equals fragment. That's gonna receive the get vertex text chord. And here they're multiplying the x coordinates by the aspect ratio. However, as I already explained in the past tutorials, we're gonna control the aspect ratio of our UVs depending on the size of the screen. So let's just copy those lines here and paste it in our code. Let's delete this line because we are already doing this here. Okay, we just need to change the name from UV to P. So Ctrl D, select all of them, and P. Let's see where else you can fix. Okay, this input here needs to be deleted. And I think that's it. Let's press Ctrl S and see if you get any error. Let's save the project. And we have one error here. Oh, I name it frag color. It's fragment. That's the function that allows us to work with the fragment shader. Okay, so let's save it again. We need to save our project again, so we need to change something here and save. And the compilation finished successfully. Let's test. And here we have our fireball. Let's resize the screen. So as you can see, it was pretty simple to convert this code to SparkSL. And I think maybe this is gonna be our last tutorial from this playlist, because if you have been following the past tutorials, everything is starting to be very repetitive, right? So at this point, you probably already know how to make this conversion from shader toy to SparkSL, unless you have some specific requests about some shaders from shader toy here. You can find shader toy, okay? And you have any question about it, on how to convert it to SparkSL, then maybe I can make a new tutorial showing how to convert to SparkSL. But for now, I'm gonna finish this tutorial here. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give a like in the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, okay? See you, bye bye.